Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the maximum cash withdrawal from Regions Bank. Before we get into that, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to withdraw a large amount of cash from your bank account? Maybe you were buying a car, making a down payment on a house, or paying for a wedding. If so, you know that it can be difficult to withdraw large amounts of cash from your bank. Most banks have limits on how much cash you can withdraw at once. This is because banks want to prevent money laundering and other financial crimes. So, what is the maximum cash withdrawal from Regions Bank? The answer is, it depends. The maximum cash withdrawal from Regions Bank depends on a number of factors, including your account type, your account balance, your relationship with the bank, the bank's policies. Account type. The type of account you have at Regions Bank will determine the maximum amount of cash you can withdraw. Checking accounts. The maximum cash withdrawal from a Regions Bank checking account is $10,000 per day. Savings accounts. The maximum cash withdrawal from a Regions Bank savings account is $5,000 per day. Money market accounts. The maximum cash withdrawal from a Regions Bank money market account is $5,000 per day. Account balance. The amount of money you have in your Regions Bank account will also affect the maximum amount of cash you can withdraw. If you have less than $10,000 in your account, you can withdraw up to the full amount. If you have more than $10,000 in your account, you can withdraw up to $10,000 per day. Relationship with the bank. If you have a good relationship with your Regions Bank banker, you may be able to withdraw more than the daily limit. This is because your banker may be able to approve a special withdrawal for you. Bank policies. Regions Bank's policies may change from time to time. It's always a good idea to check with your bank to find out the current maximum cash withdrawal limits. How to withdraw more than the daily limit. If you need to withdraw more than the daily limit, you can do so by using a cashier's check. A cashier's check is a check that is guaranteed by the bank. You can get a cashier's check from your Regions Bank branch. Using a wire transfer. A wire transfer is an electronic transfer of funds between two banks. You can make a wire transfer to your Regions Bank account from another bank. Using a money order. A money order is a prepaid order that can be used to pay for goods or services. You can get a money order from a post office or other financial institution. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for withdrawing cash from Regions Bank. Be prepared to show identification. You will need to show your driver's license or other government-issued ID when you withdraw cash from Regions Bank. Be aware of fees. Regions Bank may charge fees for withdrawing cash, especially if you withdraw a large amount of money. Be patient. It may take some time for Regions Bank to process your cash withdrawal request. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. I'll see you next time.